Hello, fellow teachers. So our integral and comprehensive solution is made up of 3 pillars: the Lab4Physics app, the teacher portal with its PD, and continuous support with metrics. Continuous support is available through different channels, including email, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, and others. So each teacher using the premium version of Lab4Physics will be emailed by the Lab4U team once a month with analytics on how you and your students are using the Lab4Physics app. In the email, please respond and express to any doubts or queries you have, and we will try to respond to them as soon as possible. In order to provide you with this information, it's important that the emails from Lab4U do not end up in your promotions or spam folders. To make sure that this does not happen, you will need to go to your email, then to the Promotions tab, and open the email sent by the Lab4U team. In the drop-down menu on the right side, choose the option to add Lab4U to your contact list. This way, all the emails sent by the Lab4U team will be sent directly to your inbox. What else? There's additional content on our website, Lab4Physics Facebook page, including advice, tips, videos, and blog posts so that can help you improve Lab4Physics classroom experience. You can also send your questions or share photos or videos of your experiences by using the hashtag Lab4Physics. We also have a YouTube channel called Lab4U, where you will find videos of our activities, tutorial testimonials, and more content. In addition, we would love to see and share your experiences with the rest of the educational community. If you would like for one of your videos to appear in our YouTube channel, you just need to share it with us and we will upload it. We invite you to subscribe to our channel, and if you want, you can click on the little bell on the top of the screen so that you receive a notification when we upload a new video. Very important advice to keep in mind is that in order to share photos and videos of your students, you must have an authorization form signed by the parents. If you need a sample form for requesting authorization, look at one in our teacher portal or just contact us and we would be happy to share a template with you. If you have any questions or doubt or queries, do not hesitate to contact us at info@lab4u.co. See you next time.